In a boating accident case, and I've been boating since I was very, very young, and so I have a lot of personal experience in boating. One of the things that I think makes me an effective lawyer in these types of cases is that I've actually engaged in a lot of the activities where I represent clients. Boating is one of those activities. When an accident occurs, whether it be with a collision with two boats or a boat that collides or incurs another object on the water, the first thing we want to do is talk to the person, talk to the witnesses, and find out exactly what happened. Was the accident at night? Was there proper lighting on the boats? Was there proper lighting on the markers and the buoys in the water? The next thing I want to do is to actually physically take a look at the scene. Most of the time I find that in accident litigation, unless you actually go to the scene yourself and actually look at the product that's involved in the accident, you're going to be missing and not quite understanding what actually happened. So I find it invaluable to actually look at the boat, to actually look at the jet ski, to look at the water ski, whatever it happens to be. So for example, if there's a collision between two boats, let's say a sailboat and a powerboat, you want to actually physically go and look at both of them, take the measurements of both of those boats and try to determine what actually happened. Next thing I like to do is to get someone who's in that field, so for example, some boating experts can actually help us better understand. I'm a lawyer and I'm not a boating expert, so it's very important that I talk to people who deal in this area every day. As a boater, what I would tell anybody, and as a lawyer too, I would tell you, make sure that the person who's driving the boat that you're on knows what he or she is doing. Make sure that the boat has proper safety equipment, life jackets, flares, whistles, etc., so that you can get in contact with the Coast Guard or another boating agency to help you if you need help. Make sure that the radio works. The best way to protect yourself on a boat is to be with somebody who knows how to drive a boat safely, knows how to navigate the boat properly, make sure that their boat is safe and has all the proper safety equipment, and you always have to watch out.